Tell me a little bit about how you would try to change people's approach and attitude toward crypto as a thing, as something of use, perhaps even something of value, beyond thinking about it as a punter's vehicle, right? That today, if Bitcoin, for example, today trading at $51,000, but a month ago at a very different level.
So the way, what I'm interested in is building companies that use this as an application. As Steve Jobs once said, when referring to market research, I don't do any research, he said, because they don't know they want it until I show it to them. And so I think what we have to do is show consumers use cases for this technology, and then they'll understand what it is. A very good one that's out there right now is a product called NBA Top Shot, which is produced
This is
by,
actually, I mean, people may not be familiar with it, but it's a craze, right? It's sweeping through the collectibles community.
And through the sports world. Right. So it's digital trading cards. You buy a trading card. It's issued by a company called Dapper Labs. The first application is with the NBA, and they issue cards that are unique video images of individual players doing individual kind of moves in a game. A famous one right now is Zion Williamson swatting a blocked shot up into the stands. And you uniquely own that image and can buy it at an auction from Dapper when they auction it off to begin with, and then it trades on their Flow network or protocol. I use the words network and protocol reasonably interchangeably. And then it settles on their blockchain. The Zion Williamson, last I looked, it's been a few days, so it moves around, but the Zion Williamson trading card, which was issued, I think, in the teens in terms of dollars, is now trading at $200,000. The NBA is generating about $1 million a day in revenue from both primary and secondary market sales of these products. And the Flow token, which is the token that is the means of exchange on the Flow network, which you see some price charts out there, was issued in below $1, is now trading at over $20. This is the first application of a product that the public sees, where there's a digital good that people are buying, there's a marketplace in which they can trade on the secondary market, there's a blockchain that settles it, where you can see what the new transaction is, and there's a token that makes it operate that has a secondary value. You also raises this issue of digital gold. And the analogy I've tried to use for people is that it's more like digital copper than gold. In the copper has a use case. People buy copper and store value in it, the way you do silver, platinum, or gold or whatnot as a commodity. But copper historically grows or declines in value based upon its use case. If people are building more houses and doing more wiring in their houses, the value of copper goes up, and the same in reverse. So it is both a store of value, but it also is an industrial metal that's used with a particular purpose. That's the better way to think about tokens than it is just a gold equivalent unit.